All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Welcome back. This is the first video of 2020 school year, and just wanted to make sure that I'm reaching out to you because I know a lot of you all are out because of COVID, so or other reasons, but there are a lot of people out. I hope that you would continue to check in with the YouTube channel so you can stay up to date. All right. So we have started the chapter six open book test. And those of you all at home, this is something that you can do at home. It'll be available until January 17th. So please try to get it completed and turned in by then. All right. Now, some test taking tips for this test. All right. Number one, I want to tell you that this test score will be used for both first semester and second semester, beginning of second semester and the end of first semester that we're currently in. All right. So um, when I get those questions about what else can I do to improve my grade or want a better grade, this open book test for chapter six will be available for you in second semester, and you can always fill it in anytime, and you'll be able to retake it as many times as you'd like to. When taking the open book test, just a couple of things to consider. Use the control find feature. Okay. And so let me show you what that looks like. So, for example, if you look at question number one here, and this may not be your first question, all right, but I just want to show you quickly how to use it. You read the question stem, okay, why was fighting a defensive war an advantage for Americans? Okay, and you think about that, you pause and think, what are they really asking me? They're asking about defensive war and why it was an advantage. So I'm going to copy and paste that. And then I'm going to go over here to 1.1, chapter 6, and I'm going to press Control and F. And you'll notice up here in this little text box that it opens up and it's already there. And there is one result there. So I'm going to press it, and wow, it takes me directly to that part. I would read this paragraph and read the question to find the best possible answer. That's how you use Control Find. Okay, so that's the Control Find feature. Number two, there are a few document based questions, okay, DBQs on the test. One is a map and one is a timeline. There's several questions for the map and timeline. It doesn't require any research. All you have to do is look at the document. In this case, like I said, it's a map or a timeline, and you should be able to find the answer in that document. Okay. Now you can search for it if you need to, but I think on the map is looking for battles and locations, and the timeline is looking for certain events. So you won't need to use any research for that to save time. However, if you do come across a question that requires that you can't find in the textbook for whatever reason, you've gone through all of the lessons in the textbook, then use Google. Okay. Now, of course, it's going to give you thousands of results. You'll just have to pick the top ones, use the find feature, and select the best answer. Okay. Number two here. If I were taking this test, I would probably just go in order. If you look over here to the right, you can see lessons 1.1 all the way to lesson 3.5. Some of them are missing because we skipped them in instruction, so you don't need them for the test. And so I would probably click open lesson one, scan for names, dates, and locations, and then cross reference that or go back to the test to see which one of those names, dates, or locations shows up in the question. And then I'll know I'm in the right spot. If I don't see it in that lesson, then I know that I'm in the wrong spot and I need to go on to the next lesson until I find the correct answer. All right, sorry about that. Okay, so this test will be available until um, January 17th, like I said. All right, we can use it as a boost for the end of first semester and definitely to set your grade the way you want it in second semester. Okay, so you can have a real good start. Send me any messages in Schoology if you have any questions about this, and we'll see you soon.